Good day, ladies and gentlemen. In this particular video, I'm going to be teaching you how to actually take advantage of a pullback in order to frame a trading ideology. Okay, so you can actually go and do your homework when it comes to this particular strategy. I'm going to give you the basics of this strategy, then you will have to go to your charts and discover how you can perfectly utilize it. Okay, so this particular system has to do with pullbacks. Okay, so what we're going to be using as the number of candles that is going to confirm our pullback is 2 candles. Minimum of 2 candles will confirm our pullback. Okay, so these 2 candles are going to be in the opposite direction, definitely. So if you're in an uptrend, you expect the 2 candles to be bearish candles, while if what we have is a downtrend, the pullback candles are going to be bullish candles, right? So these candles need to appear at specific positions. Okay, so you need to see a BOS first. There should be a break of structure, then you see the 2 candles pulling back. 2 candle is like the minimum. It can be 3, it can be 4, but what we want to see is that the pullback is as though it is retesting the structure that just got broken. Okay, so it should seem as though it is retesting the structure it just broke. Okay, so that's what you need to give consideration to when it comes to utilizing this particular strategy. Okay, so right here we can see structure. Okay, this is like an eye, right? So this eye got broken by this candle. All right, so that candle broke the eye, and by the time eyes are being broken, it implies that you are switching into an uptrend, because in an uptrend eyes are broken, then higher eyes are formed, right? So now that we have a break of structure and the candle closed beyond that level, showing us that it's a break of structure, all we now need to do is to look for how to take advantage of the pullback. And remember, since this is a bullish break of structure, our pullback is going to be characterized by what? Bearish candles. Okay, so what you do is you wait to see at least 2 consecutive bearish candles as we have here. So we are not going to categorize this as a pullback because it's a single candle, bearish candle. Okay, so this is what we categorize as our pullback, because we have at least 2 consecutive bearish candles, and if you check the movement, it's as though it's trying to retest this level, that structure that got broken. Okay, so we have these 2 bearish candles, then another bearish candle followed it. So the idea is the last bearish candle you have, you want to see a bullish candle close above it. That's where you're going to be taking your trade. Once a bullish candle closes above the last candle in your pullback series. Okay, so the series of candles that make up your pullback, the very last candle that a bullish candle closes beyond is the area where you're going to be taking your trade. So since this bullish candle closed beyond this bearish candle, we take our trade instantly to buy. Okay, so we're going to buy the market from here, and then stop loss is going to be below that candle. Okay, so you can see how it played out. So you would have entered a buy trade here, definitely suffer a little bit of a drawdown, but you won't be stopped out since your stop loss is going to be down here, and then you catch all of these move. Okay, so now look at this second example here. There's something to learn right here. You're not going to be using this. Okay, I know we had a bullish what's it called, set of candles right here, but if you check, these 2 candles definitely qualify as a pullback, because what we are based on our rules, what we are looking at as a pullback is 2 consecutive candles in the opposite direction, a minimum of 2. Okay, but the reason why taking this trade won't be a very good idea is because this is just retracing into is there a fair value gap there? There's no fair value gap here. Okay, I think there's a fair value gap right here. Okay, but we are not this trade idea is not based on fair value gaps. Okay, we need it to break a structure, and we need the pullback to seem as though it's retesting the structure that just got broken. Right in this region, there is no structure broken. Okay, we don't have any structure broken around here, unlike the first one I gave you. Okay, So for this first one, you can clearly see the structure that was broken, right? So this is the structure that was broken. Okay, then this candle seems as though it's retesting that structure. That's what we want to take advantage of, not pulling back into an FVG. Okay, so since there's no structure here, I won't be taking this trade right here. If you are taking this trade, it would have led to a loss right here. Okay, because price still came deeper, trying to, come to the, I guess, about 50% of this. So those that are using Fibonacci retracement system would have been able to catch this trade. But for the pullback system I'm teaching you right now, this trade is an invalid trade. Okay, so let's see if we have another valid trade. All right, so what do you have right here? Look at this. This is an eye, right? This set of candles broke that eye. Okay, so we have two consecutive red candles here. Let me see. Okay, so this is a valid pullback because those candles moved as though they are trying to retest the level that just got broken. That's what we want to see. Okay, it shouldn't be far from the level that got broken. Okay, so these ones came down. Then once a bullish candle closes beyond that bearish candle, you're taking a buy trade, stop loss below that level. So basically that's just how the system goes. Okay, you can see how price, came down a bit but still pushed in the upwards direction. Remember, your stop loss is going to be somewhere around here, so you're not going to be stopped out. You're going to catch all of these big moves you see moving in the upwards direction. Okay, so basically, if you got any value from this video, you got questions concerning this particular system, you can ask in the comment section. You got any value, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.